starboard side shows significant degradation near the ballast tanks.
Yes, the heat map confirms the stress fractures we suspected.
Bring her down slowly. Watch the alignment on the starboard side. Looks good. Hold it right there. All right, set it. It's a perfect fit. Keep going, it's almost seated. All right, moving to the next bolt now. Slow down the descent, watch the alignment. Roger that. Okay, pull the gauge through. All right, release the tensioner. Tension is clear. Good, mark it secured. Is that flush with the rib? Looks good. I'll secure the top fasteners now.
Final approach, looking good on the laser alignment.
Confirmed seated. Locking the dome.
A little to the left, easy now. Clear on this side, drop it down.
Run the level 3 diagnostic on the tactical display.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Calibration complete on bank 1.
The temperature is holding steady at 0. Looks good. The tiles look perfect, just like the blueprint.
Almost done with the grouting here. The sauna is next.
Pressure holding steady.
No leaks detected on the seal, Captain.
Check the thermal readings on loop 7 right there. Confirmed, elevated stress near the weld.
Check the thermal readings on auxiliary.
Stable at 300. Reactor health is optimal. Watch the alignment on the starboard side. It's clear. Engaging the wrench now.
Salinity levels are reading 0. Perfectly clear. The system is fully operational.
Lower the mast 5 meters, slowly now. Roger that. Watch the alignment on the starboard side. The housing is secure. Initiate the winch sequence slowly. Roger that. Winch engaged, cable tensioning now. Final lock engaged. We are all clear. All right, lock it down right there. Make sure those bolts are tight.
Yes, sir. It's not going anywhere.
Check the seals on the upper hinge, Vasily. We can't afford any leaks on this one.
We have full connectivity across the array.
Stealth power is active, engineer. All systems nominal.
That's the last bolt. Hand me the connector. Making the link now. Controls are live. Interface is responding.
Check the alignment on sector 49er.
Looks good. The pressure reading is stable. Let's mark it complete on the schematic.
Pressure holding steady at 200 atmospheres.
Scrubber efficiency is optimal. Levels normalizing.
Pressure is holding steady at 5,000 psi.
Smooth operation confirmed. No leaks detected. Test successful.
Connection secure.
Switching to internal power now. Grid stabilized.
All right, it's secured. What do you think?
Perfect. The alignment is spot on. We're showing a variance on the port side.
Compensating now. There we are, green across the board.
Testing hard rudder now. Monitor the gauge.
Steady at 15 degrees. Confirmed smooth operation. The starboard side is showing a deviation of 0.05.
Understood. The alignment is stable. Logging the results now.
Pressure holding steady on the coolant line.
Confirmed. Oil transfer rate is optimal. We are clear to proceed.
Engine room, dry run sequence initiated. Increasing power to 50%.
Roger that, Bridge. Instantaneous response. Holding steady at 50%.
Final lock engaged. How are the diagnostics looking?
Stable. We have full green across the board, Captain.
The certificate of seaworthiness is officially signed. The Typhoon is ready for duty.
Excellent work, Captain.
All systems green, Comrade Captain. The submarine is ready for sea.
Sonar, new contact bearing 090.
Confirming contact, Captain. Matching profile Delta.
Range is holding steady at 5,000 yards.